It's time to supercharge your business with artificial intelligence. You probably already know the benefits of AI. If not, it's still not too late to leverage. As you embrace AI, your team will be more agile, able to adapt and to grow so that efficiencies can take place in your business. If you overlook AI, your competition might have the upper hand and gain an advantage over you in the marketplace. Inefficient processes and limited ability to gain access to information can severely impede your progress in your industry. This is also going to limit scalability and also hinder innovation. Here are 3 things that you can immediately do to enhance your AI capabilities. Number 1, look at where AI can complement your tasks. It makes sense for you to build a better and more efficient system by reducing or removing tasks, optimizing, automating, and delegating. If you can train your team how to do this, you'll be multiplying your efficiencies like crazy. Number 2, reverse engineer content in order to derive prompts. Now I know most of you will probably find that AI is useful for queries, to generate ideas, to even write books or articles and generate script content on your behalf. However, that's not just it. What if I told you that you could utilize whatever somebody has already done and reverse engineer that so that you can have the prompt itself, and then you can utilize that prompt and leverage it anywhere you choose? Pretty cool, right? Well, that has caused me to increase my output by more than 5 times in video creation as well as other forms of content creation. Number 3, use AI as a strategy partner. Convert AI into a conversational partner with you by asking it to play a certain role. Let that be a series of questions that will prompt you for what's going on in your environment in order to strive to an effective strategy. Ask it to question your decisions. Ask it to give input from what you understand of the environment so that you can collaboratively come out with a better strategy. The AI revolution is at hand. So if you found these tips useful, imagine what would happen if you could have a proper system that runs your business. At Superscaling, we call this the business operating system that is now infused with the thinking behind artificial intelligence in order to help you to take your business to the next level. If you'd like to find out more and be involved in our next run of Velocity, just comment Velocity to gain access to tips and tricks that can triple your productivity and skyrocket your revenues.